interrupt all programming to bring you this contagious disease warning. All broadcast stations and cable systems in Illinois shall transmit this message. Around 15 minutes ago, the bomb that was placed in Sears Tower in Chicago was detonated, causing mass damage and destruction to and around the area. The Chicago police has reported that a green misty substance has been reported above the Sears Tower. The Centers for Disease Control is asking everyone near and around Chicago to turn off all heat and ventilation systems for safety precaution. The CDC believes this is a non-harmful substance, but rather a result of the bomb exploding. The CDC is advising everyone in Chicago and everyone near or around Chicago to shelter in place and to put as many objects between you and an interior wall as possible to prevent your risk of a potential dangerous chemical. The CDC is investigating this. Interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. From the CDC understanding and reports, the green mist has reportedly grown the size of the state of Illinois. The United States government has a loss to explain this phenomena. Keep in mind that the serial killers are still reported. We interrupt that broadcast. This is an important bulletin from the Centers for Disease Control, just a few minutes ago. The CDC has found a disease inside of the green mist. This disease is named the ISP virus. If you have the following symptoms: pain in legs, nausea and vomiting, easily angered. More information will follow shortly. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. The emergency alert system interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. Please stand by, as information will be released shortly for your local area. Please stand by for that message. The United States government would like to announce the following message. Please stand by for that message. The Centers for Disease Control has found a cure for the virus. This cure will broadcast over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by.
Interference detected. Retransmitting new message in 5 seconds. Frequency change initiated. Primary entry point system initiated. Please stand by. This is an administrative message from the United States government. On order of President Donald Trump, this message is being broadcasted to the American public. Many who heard the loud frequency is a risk of severe and uncontrollable anger. The CDC can confirm this. The CDC has well over 5,000 reports of this case in the United States right now. If you have heard this sound, please go to your nearest hospital immediately. Right now the FCC is working on a replacement for the emergency alert system, which should be done by tomorrow. You're listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall broadcast this alert. More information will follow as it becomes available.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is a part of a nationwide test of emergency alert system capabilities. Emergency alert and warning authorities have initiated this test message in coordination with emergency alert system participants including FEMA, the FCC, and broadcast and cable operator network satellites and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have followed information vital to your health and safety. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.